long gone, thank God, long gone. I waited lines and I crossed them too. And here's to hoping some of my dreams don't come true. And just below my feet, right above my head, gone, long gone, thank God. I'll go ghost, I'll keep the morning all day long. But first here's a toast to the places we belong. Just below your feet, right above your head. Gone, long gone, thank God.